How to change audio output from iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings app on your iPhone and navigate to the Bluetooth menu. Here, you can view all of your paired devices and confirm which one is currently connected. To quickly change the audio output, swipe down from the top right corner to open the Control Center. In the top right corner of the Media Playback widget, locate and tap on the AirPlay icon. This will bring up a menu that displays a list of all available audio devices and destinations. A checkmark indicates the currently active output. This list includes your iPhone and any connected speakers. To switch, simply tap on a different option, such as iPhone, to play audio from its internal speakers. The audio will instantly switch, and the checkmark will move to confirm your new selection. Following these steps, you can easily change the audio output on an iPhone.